In this video, I will show you step by step how to post a blog on HubSpot in a simple and professional way, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Content option in the top menu and click on it to see the content creation tools. Next, click on Blog and then select Create Blog Post to start writing a new article. After that, enter the title of your blog and begin writing the article content in the editor. HubSpot's editor allows you to add text, images, links, videos, and other elements to make your blog more complete and professional. You can also format the text, change font size, and organize the content into paragraphs to improve readability. After creating the content, it is important to add an attractive title and description to help with SEO and make it easier for people to find your blog on search engines. Before publishing, review the content to make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that all information is correct. When everything is ready, click the Publish button to publish your blog post. After publishing, the blog will be available online and accessible through a link. You can share this link on social media, emails, or your website to attract visitors. And that's it. Now you know how to post a blog on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.